The prior authorization process for Norditropin doesn't have to feel like climbing a mountain. As a healthcare provider, you're the guide ensuring your patients receive the growth hormone therapy they need for conditions like growth hormone deficiency or Turner syndrome. Let's simplify the process together and make it more manageable. First, understanding insurance policies is crucial. Each insurance company has its own set of requirements. For example, Medicare and Medicare Advantage plans focus on medical necessity, often requiring documentation like lab results or imaging. Private insurers, like United Healthcare or Blue Cross Blue Shield, commonly ask for growth hormone stimulation test results and a detailed medical history. Now, why does Norditropin require prior authorization? It's a high-cost medication, and insurers want to ensure it's used appropriately and for approved conditions. While this may seem like an obstacle, it's also an opportunity to show why your patient genuinely needs this therapy. Start by gathering all necessary documentation. Think of this as building your case. You'll need the patient's detailed medical history, lab results, growth charts for pediatric patients, and any relevant imaging studies. The more comprehensive your file, the fewer the delays. Having all this prepared up front saves time and avoids unnecessary back and forth. Once you have everything ready, complete the prior authorization form. Every insurer has its own form, but the basics are the same. Be sure to include patient demographics, precise ICD-10 diagnosis codes, the prescription details, like dosage and duration, and your practice information. Next, submit all supporting documents along with the form. This includes the letter of medical necessity, the patient's treatment history, and any lab or imaging results that reinforce the need for Norditropin. After submission, don't wait passively. Call the insurer to confirm they've received everything. A quick follow-up can highlight any missing items and prevent delays. Building a rapport with the insurance company's representatives can sometimes help move things along faster. Monitor the decision carefully. If the request is approved, you're all set to proceed with the prescription and ensure your patient receives their medication promptly. If it's denied, don't lose hope. Carefully review the denial reason and submit an appeal with additional evidence or a more detailed explanation. Persistence often pays off. Accurate coding is another crucial element. For example, ICD-10 codes like 𝐒𝐻23.0 for hypopituitarism or 𝐬𝐭𝐫𝐢𝐭𝐫𝐄 for Turner syndrome, and CPT codes such as 80,438 for growth hormone stimulation tests or 96,372 for subcutaneous injections, are essential for smooth processing. These small details can make a big difference in how efficiently the process moves forward. As for timeframes, most insurers take about 5 to 10 business days, but the completeness of your submission can significantly impact the timeline. If your request is denied, appeals backed by stronger documentation can often turn things around. You can also explore patient assistance programs offered by Norditropin to help reduce out-of-pocket costs if insurance coverage falls short. As a provider, you already have a lot on your plate. That's where companies like Staffingly can help, offering 24/7 support for prior authorizations. Our team can save you up to 70% on staffing costs while ensuring your patients get the medications they need, taking this time-consuming process off your hands. Ultimately, preparation, communication, and persistence are your keys to success. By having a reusable checklist for Norditropin prior authorizations, you can streamline this process and focus on what you do best, providing excellent care. Your dedication makes a world of difference to your patients. By simplifying prior authorizations, you're not just tackling paperwork, you're changing lives.
If you are looking for outsourcing services, schedule a demo today by visiting www.staffingly.com or emailing us at support@staffingly.com or call us on the number 1-800-489-5877.